Ntigamba ngu Nancy Abaro w'emyaka 85 wabaye omutura wa Kwibare omu district ya Apaka akaziikwa mu kyaro kya Kiragara omugombora ya Kyankende omu district ya Kyandongo. Omutumbi gwe gutukurire omu Nyambabazi wahireyo itaka ry'okumuziikamu aho yabiire nareeba ngu tayine bo wabo bwa nyuma y'okurugayo barakumuteekateekaho kuba niwe yamwisire.
Abalo Nancy was buried in Menaluda, Kyankende sub-county, which is in Kyandongo district. Now when I came, I met the CID. They gave me the information, and the lady was identified to be Anacholi. That is where I take an interest in handling or following the case. Then later on, I became the first complainant as we were still looking for the family member, which up to now we hasn't got.
Ochaya nagamba ngu Mugenzi Abaro abiira ari omushubuzi muri Apaka nuko okwebuza okuyizire kuziika omu Kyandongo.
It is alleged that because of her that why she was killed, either through slow poison or strangle. We cannot tell because it is the postmortem to give us the clear information. And as such, we believe that other than that, what could have caused, because the people who were living with her could not tell us where she was coming from.
Florence Ayuruthi mama w'omushiki okuteekateeka okuba yisire mukama we yayetongana hari kugira ngu nyakufa akafiira hirwaro rya Kyandongo nabo nko kumuziika hitaka ryabo abo kuba kabatine bo wabo.
Nikaanza kupiga simu kwa kijana yangu tatu akasema kama iko hivyo usikata, sangine inakuwa mpango ya Mungu hapa najua. Namna wewe umeokoka, sangine iko mpango ya Mungu. Wewe usikata. Nikakubali. Alafu nikapiga simu kwa chama, mimi nasema chama. Mimi naenda kwa elda yangu huyo jirani yangu anakaa huyo. Nikamwambia yeye maneno hii mimi napata hii kuenda kwa maombi. Sasa yeye akasema niende kwa chama, ni yeye kuenda kwa maombi.
Ayuruthi nagamba ngu ebintu ebi birugireho kumuhara Shamimu Apio wabena akora n'omugenzi.
Sasa nyuma yake mwenyewe narudi bibi inasema yeye iko nasikia maumivu. Sasa yanakimbia na yeye kwa nini kwa clinic wanatibu yeye na kwa jambo kidogo wanarudi nyumbani. Natoa dawa na kwa kumeza nyumbani. Mara anakaa kidogo. Mara ngine narudi. Mara ngine mgonjwa anarudi. Leo mimi nasikia mbaya. Nachukua yeye mara ngine kwa clinic. Napata dawa wanatibu yeye sindano wanatia kwake maji. Anapata mabadiliko anarudi nyumbani. Nditu iko kuendelea na kuoza na bwana ya bibi.
Samson Toko chairman wa Kiragara yagamba ngu Ayuruthi akamushikirira arikwende barha erikumwikiriza kuziika omuntu aho yabiye atarikumanya.
The next morning they went themselves than my concern. They came back with the dead body. As they came to the dead body, I could not allow them to bury until me I connected with my Giso of Kyankende. We brought police from Dika police post. They came. They took their statements of those who brought the dead body.
Julius Alan Hakiza oyo mugambirizi wa polisi omu kyanga kya Albertine ari kugambira hasi munagiranga abantu bashatu bakomirwe okukyondooza enshonga egi.
The two people were arrested. They were arrested twice in investigations. Later, they had overstayed in police custody. So the state instructed as the investigations were still ongoing, they were given a bond. But the husband, the purported husband to the deceased, appeared to court today. So the other ones are still reporting, but on instruction we shall amend the charge sheet, they also go, but they were not set free as the allegation is.
Obwa hata abasirikare tibakirga mu maka ge okukyondooza ebiri kugambwa. Gashakanwa gaba Ambrose Katoto.